Hello, today I have a Ford S Max 2013 model. I'm going to show you how to replace passenger side wing mirror. You can see as it is, customer put the nice tape here to temporary holding and broken edge, broken glass. I have a new parts, customer supply the parts. This is the new mirror. I think customer bought from Euro. Yeah, please stay with me. I'm going to show you how to remove panel, reach to the mirror, take out mirror, put back new one. As a first step, we need to remove this clip. After that, we need to take out this silver panel because there is a using the special trim tool, plastic one. Don't going to use it metal thing. You are going to scratch this area. Yeah, take it out this one. There is a two screws here, and another one underneath of this hole. After that, we need to take out like screws, one here, second one there, underneath another two, one is here and one is there. Also side of this panel, one here and other one bottom edge here. There is a 6 screws need to take out. Then after that we can remove this upholstery. I'm going to take it out. Sorry, I forget to tell you, before we take out the panel, we need to remove this plastic thing behind the door handle. There is a electric connector. We need to remove that one. Need to press this tab connector and take it out. This is the tab we need to press. Now I am ready to remove door panel. Start it from the bottom. After that, lift up. It will come out. There is another metal clip need to remove. Door panel out. Need to disconnect that connector. There also they have a tiny tab. Press and pull, it will come out. After that, need to remove that plastic sticker. Behind the sticker there is a 13mm bolt. We need to remove that bolt, take out the mirror. Before that, I am advised to you, take a piece of cardboard, fold like that, put it underneath the nut, because if for some reason nut fail, it will go into inside. If you put it like that cardboard, you can avoid in that problem. Remove 13mm bolt. This is the bolt, hold the mirror. Now I'm going to lower window to take more rooms. Now I can take a mirror out. Next step, I'm going to compare new mirror and old one. Make sure identically everything alright. Make sure that connectors correct. It has 6 wires. I'm going to install new mirror. Need to put back 13 mm bolt. Just do the hand tight, no need to do over tightening. I feel it's tight enough now. Reconnect electric connector. Going to install door panel. Start it from the top. After that, I need to put back that plastic cover behind the door handle. All panels in. Now I am going to put screws back. One screw behind this handle. Now I need to put it 2 screws for this handle, but it's very tricky because of that hole little bit deeper. Then little bit struggle to put in that 2 screw, but if you have like a piece of paper, put behind the nut and push it through the hole, you will alright. Next step, we need to put it 6 screws around the door panel, 2 for this side. Another 2 screws for this side. Also 2 screws for the bottom. All screws in. Now need to install mirror cover, plastic cover. Before the cover, make sure indicator working. Yeah, it's working fine. Otherwise you have to remove the cover again. This back cover a little bit tricky. There is 2 plastic connectors. We need to start it from there. That 2 connectors need to put it through that bottom 2 holes. Then after that I can press in. Little bit tricky, don't worry. While you do the job, you realize what I am saying. Yeah, all in. Nearly there. All in as it is. All done. Thanks for watching. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. If you have any question, comments, mention below. I'm happy to reply your all questions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe us. Thank you.